Both calls from in from Brookstell, which has since been turned off.
And there's been no activity on their cell phones or ATM cards since Saturday.
It does seem like they were reading from the script.
And obviously, since the phone's turned off, I can't use it to locate the girls, but I have an open file number in case it is turned back on.
Okay, guys, not for nothing. I remember my senior year in high school. Isn't it possible these girls just took off on a road trip?
No. Absolutely not. Holly accepted an athletic scholarship to Penn State. I was a high school athlete just like these girls. I was these girls. They don't smoke. They don't do drugs. They don't drink during the season. They do not jeopardize a full ride scholarship by cutting school.
I hear you, Jim. It has been 5 days. There's a chance these girls... There's a chance we may not find them. Okay, so...
Why not?
The phone messages, they were reading it from a script. They said, I'll see you next Friday. Not 2 days, not 2 weeks, Friday.
I think that's the story. My guess is we have until Friday to find them.
2 days.
As far as in this case.
Wheels up in 30 minutes.